Welcome to Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we'll be doing this violet Beetle, number 4. Looks like it's got metallic in it. Yeah, pretty cool color. And yeah, it's on a Tyco Pro. This is the second chassis. It's got the letters are stamped into the chassis. The first chassis was black like this and had it in white letter painted on. But after going around a track for a while, it would wear off, so they decided to stamp it in. We'll bring it around here and we'll check this bad boy out. These here break off real easy. I wouldn't race this. This is a shelf queen, and I would leave it as a shelf queen. Let's put her on the dyno and see what she does. Alright. So it looks like butterscotch. With the windshield. And this thing here is not really gonna sit here and run. The guide pin is too long and it doesn't go forward enough. So whoa. I will clean the windshield. I'll clean the whole dang car, I guess. Yeah. And we'll take a look at her in the book. See what she looks like in the book. Not sure if I have a rear axle help for this car. If I do, I could change it out. No. Let me look up here in my Tyco Pro. Being up top. Found my Tyco Pro drawer. No, it's not that. It's the pinion gear. Okay. Let's grab one of these. Yeah, this one's a lot better. Okay. Put some oil on it. Clean these brushes up a little bit. Yes, that's a lot smoother. 260 we got out of it. 268. I doubt we'll get 270. But yeah, let's take this bad boy over to the track and take it for a test drive. Well, let's take her for a little ride. See if she goes anywhere. Wrong way. Why is this thing doing this? I have no clue. Alright. Yeah, these white boots are not tall enough. Especially when the pickup shoes are warped like they are and don't sit down nice and flat. The front end sits up high, which causes the ass end to ride even lower than what it is. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. There she is right there, number 18. The only other Volkswagen I have not done yet is the 22. I haven't done it yet. I have both of these with and without the decals. I think I've only done the one with the decals. I might do the one without the decals. So we know it's number 18. It's metallic violet. So yeah, that's why it's got the cool paint job on it. Number 4. 70 to 71 Tyco Pro. So it shouldn't have the white boots on it anyway. And they're sitting a little too low. But I put them on for nostalgic purposes. 8807. And they're all 8807. I don't know why. But yeah. 17, 18, 19, 20, and 22. 17, 18, 19, 20, skip the bus, and 22. So this whole row right here, this entire row, and this one right here, is all 8807. So there you have it, folks. Metallic violet. Yeah, you can see the metallic in the paint. So yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Body's beautiful, perfect. Nothing's broke, nothing's scratching off of it. And I actually have the box for this one, the original with the dome on the top of it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool car. Like I said, this is the second chassis. It has its Tyco Pro stamped into the bottom of it. And the first chassis was just painted on in white letters. And then the third chassis was the brass plate. So, yeah. These tires are real dirty from running those 10 laps. Yeah, they're real dirty. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking out the video. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the bell if you want notified. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that. And leave me a comment. 7 words or more. Appreciate it. And tell me what you think of that car. And I will catch you guys next time. Later.